Hello, and welcome to another Tableau CRM video. Today, we will be covering the latest features coming through the Summer 21 release. First, let's cover some of the latest and greatest with recipes. You can now connect, join, and append data with enhanced graph interactions in the data prep interface. Enhanced graph interactions allow you to join or append data from any node to any other node in the recipe. This can be upstream or downstream. You can say goodbye to the days of duplicating nodes whenever you needed to use it again. Also, you can create a branch at a node and branch it to another path in the recipe. The additional benefit to enhanced graph interactions is that you can also move your nodes so they can flow from right to left. Another recipe update is the ability to anticipate the future with time series forecasting, which is now generally available. With a time series forecasting transformation, you will be able to run forecasts based on historical data and seasonality, allowing you to make decisions today about the future. You can select the seasonality, and there are 3 forecast models to choose from. Additive: use this method when the seasonal variations are roughly constant throughout the series. Multiplicative: use this method when the seasonal variations change proportionally to the average. And Auto uses the method with the best forecast accuracy. You can also decide if you want to include the latest time period. If the last period isn't over yet, then the data will be incomplete, which can make the forecast distorted. And you can add a confidence interval. This helps to account for errors by providing values for each forecast based on the level of confidence to get the most out of your forecast. In the Summer 21 release, you can now create app templates with just a couple of clicks. In the past, you would create your own analytics templated apps through the CLI or Workbench. And if you wanted to change or delete these apps, you would once again do this programmatically. But now you can do some of this directly in the Analytics Studio. You would simply create your app with the necessary assets within it. Then from the app, with a few clicks, you can create a brand new template. This will create a basic app template which you can distribute to other orgs. That's not all. If you need to update, delete, or decouple your template from the source app, this can be done in the newly updated Analytics Studio homepage from the Templates tab under All Items. You can customize further using JSON to make a smart template with a wizard and create your questions and specify runtime rules. You can now make Tableau CRM more accessible to your end users with improved accessibility settings, including color contrast, assistive text, and keyboard controls. This will help our users interact with buttons, use widget tooltips, and manage their saved views with greater ease. Finally, you may be familiar with duplicating widgets within the same dashboard. You can now copy widgets, then paste them onto another dashboard, which makes it even easier to maintain and create your dashboards with copy and paste. When you do this, it will keep your widget and query properties intact. Thanks for watching. See you next time.